Samsung has launched its new mid-range smartphone under M series in India called Galaxy M56, with 5G support. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy M56 5G features a tall 6.73-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by unspecified octa-core processor, which is reported to be Exynos 1480 chipset. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Galaxy M56 5G sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. At the front it has 12-megapixel selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15 out of the box, with One UI 7 skin on top, and the company promises to provide up to 6 years of OS and security updates. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes Dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162 by 77.3 by 7.2 millimeters, and it weighs around 180 grams. So now let's break down the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy M56 5G has been priced in India at 27,999 Indian rupees for the base variant, and it is said to go on sale in the country starting from April 23rd, in light green and black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy M56 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.